Hello students, in the previous session, we have seen different components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's recollect them. Let's go one step further and create a presentation. First, click on the File tab. Select the new option. It opens the available templates and themes. Double-click on the blank presentation or click on the blank presentation option and then click on the Create button. When you open a PowerPoint, you will see a blank presentation on the screen. By default, it is titled Presentation 1. The single slide that is provided automatically in the presentation has two placeholders. The first is designed for the title and the second is designed for a subtitle. This arrangement of placeholders on a slide is called the layout. After our first slide is ready, we can move to the second slide to add the data. So, let's take a look at how we can insert new slides into a presentation. In the Slide tab or Slide Navigation pane, select the slide to which you want to add a new slide. Go to the Home button. Under the Slides group, click the arrow next to the New Slide button. The gallery appears, displaying the various slide layouts available. Select the layout for your new slide by clicking on it. The new slide is now visible on both the Slide tab and the Slide pane or slide area. Now, after adding a slide, let's add the text to a slide. On the slide area, click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. A mouse cursor blinks inside the placeholder. Start typing in the placeholder. Click anywhere on the slide other than the placeholders. Repeat the steps for the second placeholder. Click to add subtitle and start typing inside where you want the text to be. We can also add pictures, shapes, audio, videos, and animations to the slides. Now suppose we want to create two slides that are similar in content and layout. We can copy a slide in MS PowerPoint. We can save time and effort by creating one slide and then copying it. Let's check out how. Go to the Slide tab. Right-click on the slide that you want to copy and then click Copy on the shortcut menu. Your slide will be inserted on the Slide tab. You should make a note of one feature here, that you can also make a copy of slide from one presentation to another presentation. Suppose you do not wish to keep any slide, then you have an option to delete the same. Let's see how we can do so. Go to the Slide tab, right-click on the slide that you want to delete and then click the Delete Slide option from the shortcut menu. You can also press Delete option on the keyboard and delete the slide. Your slide will be deleted from the Slide tab. After completing your presentation, you must save it to send it to someone or for your future use, and then it should be saved with a proper file name. So, let's take a look at the following steps to save a presentation. Click on the File tab, click on the Save option or press Ctrl+S keys on the keyboard. A window appears. This is a Save As window. We can type in a file name, choose a file type and save the file by clicking the Save button. The presentation file is saved with the extension .pptx. Now, after creating a presentation, suppose your teacher gives you a chance to present it in front of the class. Will you click on each slide to show your presentation? Don't you think this will be a very tedious task? PowerPoint provides us with a shortcut for displaying our presentation. On the status bar, click the Slideshow View button or press the F5 key on the keyboard to start the slideshow from the beginning. After you are done with creating the PPT, you can close it by clicking on the Close button under the File tab, or you can click the Close button on the right corner of the title bar, or press the Alt F4 keys on the keyboard to close a presentation. Your presentation will get closed. So that is it for this session. You have learned how to create a new presentation, add text to it, and how to save and close a presentation. Thank you.